Hey guys, and welcome back to the YouTube Princess Nair and one more video for study hacks. In this video, what we are going to see, let's start the video. In this video, we will watch how can we reuse the invitation cards for our studies. I know friends, you have old invitation cards and you want to use it in proper method for your studies because we should have to reuse the things which can be recycled, yes or no, and we should do not waste the papers. So invitation card, when you visit, you know that in the back side there's a empty place, and before that there is written something. In front side there is written something, and back side you will find a empty place. So we are going to use this empty space for a timetable. Yes friends, in this video we will see how can we make a study timetable from with the help of invitation card which can be reused in it. So let's start it. So see, I have one invitation card. So let's start it. How I will show you. First of all, we need a invitation card, pencil, and a creative pens. Yeah, any sketch pens. Okay, so these things are required. Please keep it. And let's just collect sellotapes. You can use the old sellotapes which you have used for your old timetable or anything which you want to reuse then. Otherwise, new sellotapes you can cut it and paste somewhere where you can remove and put it. Now I'm taking an invitation card and sticking in my study table. So I'm going to stick it now with the sellotape. I sticking it. So you all can use this method also. So now it's time to make columns. You have to make two columns. One will be for time and next will be your topics, and you will start writing the times here. For example, 4 o'clock to how much o'clock you are going to study. After making time, writing the times, you will write the topics in pencils. Okay, here you will write a time and topics you will write in the pencil. Okay, now you can see my timetable, very neat and clean. I have used only a black sketch pen here. Okay, and not other pens. Okay, but you can use a creative pens also. Now I have made a last some line and I have written success is in my hands. Let's achieve it. Yes or no? Yes. So now I will tell you how can you manage a lectures and your studies, self studies. Come on. See friends, now what you will do, you will write a timing. See, for example, you have a lecture from 7 to 10:30. So try to write that only time. Okay, and when you get holiday on that time, you can utilize that time for any other subject. So I have included the lecture timings and then I made my self study times. Now see, I have taken break. I will tell you in the last. Let's start. See, morning I've get up at 4 o'clock. You can see the subjects of CA subjects. Yeah, BEF, BCom subjects are here written. You can make, if you're from 9th, 8th, whichever standards, you can use this timetable according to your schools, colleges, classes, timings. Okay, you can include it. Now, my morning routine starts from 4. What about you? 4 o'clock to 5:30, which subject I will take? I have written in the pencil. Okay, and then 7. Now 5:30 to 7, I have a break for the breakfast. Then whatever the routine which is we have to do. that only I will use that time. If I get time, then I can use for studies also. I'm not including that time in it. I have written the lecture timing also, and I wrote which lecture is there. So you also have to include it, because it will memorize, this is the lecture. You will not forget to attend the lecture. And nowadays it's online. So you all know. Now you can see 11 o'clock to 12:30 my lecture ends. I have given break for 12:30 to 1:30. This time I'm using for lunch. Okay, only for lunch. I'm not giving to time for sleep because of the lectures. If you see, the lectures are many and I'm getting self study a less time. That's why I'm not giving a time for the sleep. Okay, even you cannot give. If you want to give, you can give it. But if you say students, I would prefer no, don't need to give a time for sleep. Yes, it's okay if you sleep for 1 hour, it's okay. But you feel that you will sleep for 2-3 hours, then don't give it. Okay, next. Now my routine, 1:30 to 4 o'clock I would revise the subject which is there. Like 4:30 to 6:30 I have accounts lecture, so I have kept that only accounts. I have 2 lectures of accounts. You all can see this. 7 to 8 o'clock I have 1 lecture, and 8:30 to 10 means 8 o'clock to 8:30. Half an hour I have kept for dinner. Okay, for dinner. So you can also manage like this timings and you can use it. This timing I'm going to use from Sunday to Saturday. Okay, so this was the timetable, a very utilized timetable. I have used this timetable. Okay, so you all can also make these timetables. This is very helpful study hack for you. You all can see it's creative. You can make more creative if you want. Okay, it's your wish, but it's very easy to make the timetable. So friends, how was the video? If you like this video, then I would request you to subscribe our channel and share to your friends, and watch the other videos also which is uploaded in the YouTube has study hacks. I'm like to show you to you. Let's see. So you all can see there are many study hacks videos it is uploading, and the special video is for you all is formula book for revise. Yes friends, very helpful for the math students who feel difficult of formula. They should watch this video, very benefit and very helpful to you. Don't forget to watch this. And next video for them who feel a critical appreciation a little bit difficult and they want to memorize in different method, so you can watch this video. I have planned your many nice study hacks I have used here, which you can use in your day-to-day life. And you all can see, even I have made one video on timetable which is reuse method. In this timetable only there will be a 3 or 4 hours which I kept for this lectures, otherwise no. But today timetable I have kept the many hours for the lectures, and I have tell you, if you have many lectures then how can you utilize it. In this reuse method I have used, this also video is a reuse method. In this video I have used a paper, but this video, in coming video I have used an invitation card. So even you can watch this video. This also is very benefit to you. Next will be a toppers important skills. It is the every student skills should be there. It is the important skills which every student should have. What are the skills? You can watch this video. Okay, and how can you improve the English language? Same skills are there but little bit different in this both videos, so you can go and watch it now. Not only study hacks, you can get many things: law language, class 9 subjects, English improvement batch, English language improvements, poem sections, and scholarship exam 8 standard, Microsoft course, English grammar, writing skills, okay, maths, higher class, career guidelines, HSC commerce books, there are many more, many. You can go and check in my YouTube channel, okay, and don't forget to like it and share to your friends, okay. Thank you, friends. And for this videos, you can subscribe the channel, like this video, and comment below. You can give your feedback for next video and share to your friends. Okay, friends. Thank you and bye and goodbye. Take care.